Hello, all you amazing people. Today I'm sending you this video to show you one of the cool tools that Washington County has for property owners here in Washington County. It's called a Property Watch. I'm going to show you how to sign up for it and tell you a little bit about what it does. So if you go to washco.utah.gov, choose the Departments tab and go to Recorder, then you're going to see an option of Property Watch here on the left. Click on Property Watch and it's going to take you to the county's really amazing interactive GIS mapping system. You can ignore the map for now because all we want to do is click on Property Watch, and then you're going to need your parcel ID number. That's on your tax notices. You can look it up on the county website. I've tried doing this with Citus address and there seems to be a glitch in their system around zip code. So I'd suggest you get your parcel ID number or account number. For this one, we're going to use the parcel ID number. And the parcel ID number I'm looking at today is right here. It's going to identify where that property is on the map so that I know I'm looking at the right property. And I'm going to hit sign up for an account for Property Watch. I'm going to put my name in and my email address. By the way, this is not a property that I own. You do have the right to sign up for this on any property, but let me show you, or let me tell you a little bit about what it does now that I've shown you how easy it is to get it done. So I've registered successfully for Property Watch. This is what I wanted to show you is this paragraph right here. It says signing up for Property Watch will enable you to keep track of any recorded changes to your property. The Washington County Recorder's Office will send you an email alerting you to any recorded documents associated with the accounts. Liens, deeds, reconveyances, releases, notice of interest are all going to be there. So this is a great tool because people actually have the right to record a lien against your property without your knowledge. This way, if anything's recorded against your property for whatever reason, you're notified. Just one more way I'm trying to add more value to your ownership of real estate here in Southern Utah. Bye-bye for now.